Hello everyone, welcome back to Art of Homemaking. In this video, I'm going to show you how I organized my daughter's study desk and also have created a small reading station for her to get some interest in reading. So my daughter is very interested to do the room tour because it's her study desk. Please do subscribe to my channel, it means a lot to me. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Hello everyone, I have a pencil box. I take it wherever I take my clipboard and my pencil box wherever I need to. And if my mom is working, I just ask her for help. I take my clipboard and my pencil box. Next I have homework. I have a homework folder. I do my homework and then I put it back. Then I put it in my backpack. I go to classes, so I have some books. This is my English folder. These are my drawing sheets. From school I reuse them. I use the back side to draw and create my artwork. Now I have my artwork. These are my important permission slips from school. My mom fills them out and puts them back, and I put them in my backpack. My mom created these holders for me, and I have a few of them. I have writing, social studies, word work, and that's all. These are my math websites I have from school. Sometimes I forget, so I have login cards and my mom keeps them in a folder. These are my brother's learning activities from school. These are my memories. And this is my yearbook. I have a laptop and I also have a clock. These are all my stationery for art. Before I used to have an open organizer and my brother keeps taking stuff. So my mom chose this box for me because it locks and he can't open it. My mom made this reading station for me, and she created a little chart for me to get more interest. These are my home books, and these are my library books. My mom made this with a canopy and some pillows. And
hope you like this video. Please hit like button, share it to your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon in the next video.